OMG, OMG, OMG. That was my best trade today. I used my ATM strategy. Ah, I'm so excited about that. Um, I used my two, I think it was my two, or did I have four? Did I have four contracts? Oh, I have four contracts on that. I did my ATM strategy, but I didn't do the ATM strategy, the four. It's supposed to have been like, I have four contracts. So it did the first contract for my first ATM, then the last three, it followed the second part of it. So profit trigger is 1 to 21 ticks for one contract. Well, if it was supposed to be four contracts, it's supposed to be two contracts and two contracts. Two contracts supposed to be profit trigger 121, and then this other two contracts profit trigger is supposed to be 150 ticks. But I forgot I had my two contract profit ATM strategy on, so it made the first contract do the 121 profit trigger, then it made the other three together do the 150. So that was cool though. Okay, so and it followed it. I didn't have to worry about being stressed out about trying to stop it or it get to a certain level and then go all the way reverse. Woo, that was so good. I was over here just jumping and saying, "Go Nasdaq, go!" It's really ridiculous how excited you are when you're trading. Okay, but yes, so this was my plan. So the news at 10 is what really triggered it all. I tried to get in at this news, which was ridiculous. You should never try to get in at news. When it was like playing around up here and doing this and just a little bit, I knew news was about to come in like 30 seconds and I knew it was about to drop. I said, like, it's doing this for a minute and one, two, it was like ranging in like a 5 tick range for like 1 or 2 minutes. Um, I could have got. I knew it was gonna come down to the 700 because it's like 700 buy orders right there. But my trailing stop loss got knocked out, but it doesn't matter. I did really well, and I'm really happy about that. So so yeah, let's see. I took too many trades today for sure. I think I took like five, and I'm only supposed to take two. But I had my first one was break even, and then my second one was a loss. So I'm like, oh, I have to get that loss back because I shouldn't have even took a second one yet because it was in the middle of zones, and I should not take stuff in the middle of zones. But so yeah, this first one over here was break even. It came back, and then I tried to take this one sell, and then it reversed. I shouldn't be trying to take sales in any trades in the middle of a zone. Plus, it was like at this order block, 5 minute order block, so it should have been trying to reverse back up, but I wasn't paying that any attention because I was in my trading trance and I was in a negative trading trance, as you can see, because I took the wrong trade. So then once that happened, I'm like, yeah, so I need to get my money back. So I got in here, which was a little bit not a good entry. It wasn't an OTE, optimal trade entry. That's what this OTE means, optimal trade entry. But it played out in my favor. It went down. I got my, because I was in the hole by like $700. So once I did that, I was back positive. It was like $98. So then I'm like, okay, so now I need to wait. And this, I don't know. I tried to get in here. I shouldn't be trying to get in here, but as you can see, when I tried to get in here, I got in at the very bottom because it was just going up and down so fast. And then I tried again right here, which was crazy. And yeah, so that was horrible. But finally, I saw this, which was a nice full body candle. As you can see, full body. Nice full body candle, not wicky. And I'm like, this is the candle to get in. So I got in. It was at the bottom, which was fine. It went up a little bit. And then as you can see, you'll be able to see in the video coming up that I got in here, and then my trailing stops came into play. The first contract trailing stop got me out here because that first trailing stop is really tight. It's only 21 ticks. It follows it by 21 ticks. So yeah, so that's gonna cut me off pretty quickly. But then the second trailing stop is 50 ticks. So that gave it a little bit more room, but it still got cut off on this tray here, about right there, because it went up that 50 ticks and cut me off. But my total profit today was $2,045. After I was in the hole from this trade here, put me in a hole $1,600. So so yeah, I was in the hole 1,600, and then I got out the hole and still profited $2,000. So that's why I need to be waiting for these good setups and taking only optimal trade entry setups, and then I won't have that issue with having to get out the hole and then all that profit could be made, because I just made at least I was trying to log into my TradeZilla so I could see my trades, but I also could see my trades on Okay, I just wanted to come back on here really quick and show my TradeZilla. I have it up. I have it connected because this is a new account. So this is my first day trading on this account. I just got this account. All right, so this is, it said I took 7 trades, which was crazy. So the first one was break even, just 93. And I was like, okay, now I'm going to wait for a good trade. But obviously I didn't. Second one was a loss, 806. And so then I was like, okay, I need to get that back because I have a problem with needing to get that back. The second one, got it back. And then third one, horrible trade. That was the one with when I tried to get in at news, when I shouldn't be trying to get in at news, and I tried to get in at news again those 2 more times. That was that post news. Got in, but it knocked me right out. I tried to get in right after this one on a different candle. It wasn't the 10 o'clock candle, and it had me break even. But this was with 4 contracts. This break even was with 2 contracts. So then I was like, okay, I tried again right here, and I was being too impulsive, and I wasn't waiting properly, and then I got nervous, and I got out because I was in 4 contracts. And then my last trade was the best trade, the one that you'll see coming up in the video. And that one was $4,377 that I made. But I was already in the hole here, 17 and 9. So, yeah, I was already in the hole. Let's see. I'm not that good at math to be able to add all that stuff up. So 1702 minus 187.6. So I was in the hole 1514 plus 912. So I was in the hole 2426. I was in the hole 2,426. And then I got the 4377. So yeah, so that's why my total profit is 2,050. All right, so it was cool, but I gotta stop getting in the hole like this and this. Oh wait, I don't want to go to that. Oh yeah, and see how cool this is. You can like replay your trade. You can replay your trade. If you click this, you can go in here and watch the trade. It tells you where you got in, where you got out. You can rewatch the trade and back testing. It's really cool, this TradeZilla. But yeah, okay, bye.